want to show y'all real quick. And I ain't even letting y'all see the bull crap here. I want to show y'all real quick how you make a thumbnail real fast. Alright, so check this out. Let me get this mic out of the way. You come down here and you type in whatever it is, pics of tech gadgets. How you spell gadgets? Yeah. How can find now, man? I bet it'll find it though. Alright. Yeah, here we go. Just there's a bunch of techie gadgets, bunch of stuff. Let's see. Let's just move on. Let's go back. Here we go. Alright, so you pick it. Boom, there it is. Pretty damn big on the screen, huh? What do you say? You hit Windows G. You take a snapshot. Boom. Lovely. Close on out of it. Forget that. Alright, now come over here and go into the Photos app. Here we go. Go into the Photos app. New video. New video project. Don't matter what you call it, we're only going to be using it for a minute to get back to the Windows G from this PC. Boom, there's the snapshot that we just took. And yeah, I like this one anyway. I've been wanting to mess with this one. Alright, so there it is. Boom. Well, you grab it, drag it, bring it down here. Go to text. Alright, we're going to type in how. Oh no, here we go. We're just gonna type it in big and bold. Thumbnails. Alright, and then we're gonna come down here and pick this one. Because it's big. Alright, let's see. What's it look like when we put it here? There we go. Kabloom. Let's jump out here in front of it and just put. Let's type something else. Let's see. Easy. Oh wait, let's put it in caps. Easy. And then thumbnails. Boom. There we go. Alright. Let's hit done. And then come to here and there's your full screen. Then you go Windows G and you take a screenshot and then you're all done. You can come back out of it and close on out of that. And then there's your thumbnail. Alright. So what we were doing, we was uploading, we were wanting to upload to YouTube a video. Alright. So we'll go to the create here. And I could have done this while the video was loading. And because I do all the time. Alright, all you gotta do, restore down. Alright. Put the file explorer up here. Boom. And our videos is where we want. It's a video we wanna put up. It's well anyway. We gotta. Where? Here we go. I can't. I'm trying to remember. Oh, here we go. No wonder I couldn't find it. Yeah, here we go. Um, let's see. Oh, we're looking for the video that we're making right now, and we haven't even made it yet. All right, so let's close back out, and we were supposed to be showing y'all how to make a thumbnail. We showed you. Very, very good, I think. We showed you real quick. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's go to the Photos app. Is this how you make a thumbnail? You just go to the Photos app, go to New Video, go to New Video Project. You know, it, boom. Go to Add from this PC. You everything all the pictures you took are here. You know, boom, there it is. Double click it, drag it on down here. Come to text. Type in whatever you want. Time. Mess around with these different, the different ways of putting it. I like this one because it is big. And then you can change, I can mess around and change the color. I can, I can do all kind of things. But, you know, it just, there you go. Done. Full screen. Windows G. It'll be, you aren't seeing it, but it's over here. When you hold the Windows button and hit G, you'll see it all pop up. You'll come over here to captures, and you hit the captures, and then you have the option to record or just take a photo. You just take a quick photo, and then you just bounce right on out of here, and boom, here it is in your File Explorer, in your captures, right here. Boom, there it is. Double tap it twice, it'll play it in your VLC player if you got that loaded up. You understand what I'm saying? So, probably not, but doesn't matter. You'll get it one day. See you later. Hey, yeah, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.